Hi, my name is Michelle Van Dyne. I am a current student at AMU and a sports and health science major. It is 4 o'clock in the morning, so I'm trying to be a little quiet here. I have a 2-year-old, so hopefully you can hear me pretty well. I don't want to wake her. So today I'm going to show you the setup of Lab 1 experiment. And let me switch the camera over. Okay, so here I have the ramp, and it's set to the edge of the table. And I have it taped down. I didn't have masking tape, so I use clear tape. I think you can see it on both sides so I can ensure the stabilization of the ramp. And I use this protractor right here, to measure the angle of the ramp, which was about 20 degrees. Sorry, this is the fishing line. Got all tangled. Also on the ramp, I have marked 3 separate places from which I drop the marble that I use in the experiment. And I'm pretty sure you can see the markings pretty well. The first one measured at 0.8 meters, 0.16 meters, and 0.24 meters. And then that fishing line that you saw, it's all coiled up, but it falls straight down here. And the point of this was to get the exact location. Oops, I got a little blurry. From where, I don't know if you can see it now. Let's see if it'll fix itself. Yes, there we go. Okay, so now here's the fishing line in the weight. So you can see exactly where the edge of the table lies. And I can get the height from where the edge of the table is to the floor. And so the idea of this experiment is to drop a marble, which, oh my gosh, this is embarrassing. Okay, so I dropped it a little bit earlier and it kind of fell over here. So we drop a marble at each marking. And as it falls, it will gain velocity. Here, I'll start it from here just to kind of show you. And hit, and down here, there it goes again. Hopefully I can find it. It'll hit on this carbon paper that I have with a sheet of regular paper beneath it. And this carbon paper is used so that when the marble actually impacts the paper, it'll make a small mark. The markings were pretty faint, so I had to go through with a pen and kind of mark each location. And from here I can see exactly where the marble fell. And from these markings I can measure the table distance, or the distance from the tabletop to where it marked, where it impacted, on the floor, where these markings are. And basically, I can see how far the marble traveled horizontally and the height of the drop point. And basically, the higher that you place the marble at, the faster the marble will fall. It'll hit, which is why we have different locations from where it hit. So anyway, that is the experiment. I am extremely new to physics. This is the first time I'm taking it, so hopefully this explanation was good enough for you to understand it. And yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Thanks.